Currently, my role is production planner and technical support. Day to day, for me, some of my technical support experience allows me to still provide services for welding machine repairs, sporadically system installations, troubleshooting at the warranty stages or service stages. With CLOOS, since we are OEM, we manufacture on robots, we're in control of where the advancements happen. So that's something that experience from CLOOS for making equipment for 100 years, we're able to apply our knowledge of what works because we are making industrial equipment that's meant to last. You definitely can tell the difference between a wire that has good feedability and then actually burns consistent and smooth over a wire that maybe has an improper finish and has like inconsistent feed or like improper metal in the mixture that causes like spatters and pops and things like that. And if you don't clean the spatters up, you're gonna have poor finish once it gets painted or coated. That's unintended. In my time here in the last roughly 20 years, I have seen some changes in our industry. It's harder to find welders or find people who want to weld. So now this gives a larger challenge to the manufacturers because they still need to make product. So that's where the robotics comes in. Automation is the key for companies who need to manufacture things, metal things in welding. But you're still gonna need people to finish weld some components because even the best robot, sometimes you're better off leaving the 10% of the hardest welds out to where you can have an operator, a manual welder, to actually finish weld it in the places where the robot may not give you a good appearance. Coming to work and just being able to help, pretty much with all kinds of different situations. With the robotics, you've got electrical things that I never knew I wanted to know, I know it. Having to troubleshoot equipment, having to kind of come up with ways to do things in like a lab setting where you may not be set up perfectly, but you have these challenges that you can typically overcome. So that's the best thing about my job.